So this is my 2012 fireworks stash. We got a lot of firecrackers, some M60s. We got a ton of these supercharged firecrackers, mega bangers. That's right. Got a half brick of mega bangers. Then some titanium crackers. Then these are our lamest fireworks. We got some cones, we've got some jumbo ground balloons, some snakes, jumping jacks, more cones, assortments, another assortment, 25 shot Saturn missile, 36 shot happy fireworks, all those, some mini ones. Then got onto our rockets. We've got these big Coronas. They're huge. Then I have one gross of triple Whistler bottle rockets with report. Then these 6-ounce rockets. Pretty cool. Then I have a couple gross of these, I don't know what they're called, Reaper's Dooms. There's bottle rockets. And these are the 6-ounce rockets. I have one more sniper left from the 4th of July. We have a Pyro Gyro. They're my favorite firework of all time. They're amazing. Got these things, kind of dangerous. Got a lot of Roman candles. Then we got these festive balls. Got some morning glories and some colored sparklers. And this is just a little part of the fireworks stash. We use most of them at the 4th of July. And the total was like $500. So, see you next time.